free of some tools that will help you to manage your project very effectively. Uh, these are the tools that give all of the basic features free of cost, and you can manage the you can manage the task team and manage the task for each project, and you can also give the permission based access also, some of the team can only develop access certain projects, some of the team also only can access some of the other the project board. So these are the two tools, and that I really I have worked with that tools, and I feel really excited by utilizing that tools, and they are free of cost for basic to access the basic features. And it was a really free, and you can easily manage the workflow of the project. Okay, so the first tool that I'm going to show you, that is Trello. So Trello is a very effective project management and team management tool. I will show you how effectively you can use the tool. Okay. So this is a Trello. I just signed up for the new Face account, and here you will see list of the board. So what the board is, you can create a new board. What the board is a one kind of you can say project, or you can say one of your you can track all of the details of against the particular board. So, for example, I have this is welcome to Trello. This is one board. I have, for example, document management system, and I wanted to manage that project in Trello. Then what I'm going to do, I will just create a click on new board. I will put here the project name. That is called a board title. So I'm going to put here the document management system. Short form is the DMS. Okay, and I can select here the whether it is publicly accessible or private accessible. I can choose the design also, like if I wanted to choose any different design, I can do that, and I can create the board. So once the board is created, I can go against the board, and inside the board I can able to see all of the details, and I need to define the workflow, what will be the workflow of this project. Okay, so first here we can define the flow, for example, it is a in progress or pending list. Then we can define here the to do list. Then we can define here done list, or we can say in preview list. Then we can define here done. Then here we can define on hold, and we can create the task against each here against each list, and that task we can drag and drop in the workflow. Okay, so for it, let me first show here we will able to see the list of boards belongs to this account. We can search anything from here we can choose the team, and we can invite the team also from here. And whenever we invite the teams, that team member will able to see this board. Okay, so here, for example, I put here the one task, that is validations for login slash registration. Okay, so and I can create this task, and here I can provide more details in, and also I can provide here the activities, whether a particular person work on it, or some of the findings I found for this task, like that. Here we can assign it to the particular member. So, if we assign this task to particular member, that member will able to get idea this task I need to work on it. Okay? We can define here the checklist also, what are the checklist. For example, we can put here the checklist. Name is make sure to do it, and we can define here responsive for responsive for all device. Okay. Second thing is color combination. Okay, so whenever particular person work on it, he can do it. Yes, it is done. It is done, like that. Okay, and second thing is we can define here the due date. We can define the assign it to the particular member. We can upload here document also. We can add the cover also, and many of the features are there against this particular card. Okay, so and for example, one person working on this, and we can put here to-do list if someone is working on it, and then we can put into the in review if it is done by his team. Okay, then once the project manager review it, we can put into either done folder, or if we can have something else, we can do that also. For example, one of the tasks is on hold, then we can put into the on hold list also. So that way, the all of the tasks will be effectively managed with this Trello, and you will have an option all the team member can see your task, and they can drag and drop between the workflow. Okay, so and on dashboard you will be able to see your all of the project created by you. Okay, so here we can also create this board against the team wise also. Okay, so that particular task like a board will be accessible to particular team. Okay, so this is a really awesome tool I have used personally, and personally I am really good, and I am impressed with Trello, the way it is it's providing the user experience. Uh, so let's be back to the our slide. So this is a one of basic feature just I have explained. I will create another video where you will see much more in details about Trello. Second tool that I experience is Asana. Asana is also one of the good project management tool, and it's really it's allow some basic it is allowing like a free it is we can use a free, and there is certain limitation in free version. But as a small unit, small organization, it is a very useful, and there won't be required to upgrade unless you wanted to feature any upper level features. Okay, so here in Asana, let me log into the Asana. And Asana here, this is a homepage of Asana. Here we can create the project, okay? And we like Asana is also little bit like a big project management tools. It has many features that you can you can enjoy a lot, and effectively manage the project. Here here the list of the team member you will be able to see. You can invite the team member against your particular workspace. Here you will have a workspace. Okay, currently it is a my workspace. We can add here another one if we have a multiple like uh, different workspaces are there. Okay, uh, second thing is here, it is I have created one by default project called DMS. Let me open it, and I can show you. So I can show you here there is the features we can see that list of the tasks and workflow using this pen. This is the expand and collapse way. Same thing we can see in a board wise. This is a board wise, that is a same similar like Trello. So we can drag and drop the task here. Okay, then we have a timeline wise also, like a same board we can see with multiple. So we can see here the timeline and calendar wise many ways we can see the our task here. If we go to the list, we can create here the our task, and we can drag and drop here to do done, and done and doing list. Okay, and also like in particular task we can define the details task. What is the details task is here. Here we can provide the description. Here we can provide the questions if anyone have. If we want to assign it particular task, here we can assign it here to particular member. Okay, so there are many features are here in Asana also. So I think I have enough explained Asana here, and if you wanted to learn more, I will create another video in details where I can explain how the Asana is helpful to you. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much. And if you have any query, concern, or if you need any help, feel free to reach out to me on below communication details. Okay. Thank you very much.